This video is sponsored by AppMaker.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress. And today, we're going to see how we can create custom header and footer in our WordPress website. Let's get started. Now, creating custom headers and footers is really a pain when you're using a theme's boring header and footer. We're going to create our custom header and footer using Elementor. Now for that, you're going to need two plugins, Elementor and Elementor Header and Footer Builder. We're going to go to the website and download the plugin. Now if you don't know how to install a plugin, go to the plugins website, which will be linked in the description of course. Click on download, go to dashboard and go to plugins, add new, click on upload plugin and choose the downloaded zip file and click on install now.
This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description.
Now once we have installed our plugins, they should appear here. Let's head over to Appearances and you'll see an option Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Click on that. So first, we're going to make a header. Click on Header and type of template. You can choose where you will display. I'll choose entire site. You can make specific headers for specific role. For example, administrator, contributor, subscriber, editor, etc. For now, I'll choose all and click on publish. And then click on edit with Elementor. Now let's create a header. If you don't know how to use Elementor, don't worry. We have Elementor tutorials on our channel. Make sure to check them out. Let's start creating a header. We're going to copy this. Now whatever link lies in the navigation bar, you should add it here. Let's edit our header background. Click on update. As you can see, the header looks good. In this way, you can create multiple header and footer for the website. Now let's build our footer. Head back to Elementor header and footer. Now let's create a footer. Click on add new. This is our footer. We're going to type in footer. First click on publish, and then we're going to edit with Elementor. As you can see, this will be our footer. Now that's it for this video. We've learned how to create our header and footer. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.